So, ito yung phone na ginagamit ko for 2 years. This is the Oppo Reno 10 5G. So far, the performance is maganda naman siya compare sa other na na-hear ko. Ito is mid-range lang siya. So 256 at saka 8 gig of RAM. And then, it's time to meet its replacement. So, wow. This is the ASUS ROG Phone 9 FE. So, dito, according to the specs, it's 12 gig of RAM, 256 pa rin. Tapos, yun. So, kasi, etong mid-range ko, nababagalan kasi ako when it comes to mga daily tasks. Kasi ginagamit ko siya sa work, email, and content creation, yung mga phone. Then, napansin ko lang na yung Reno is naghahang na siya ng mag-take ng video sa HD. So, eto na. Yung replacement. ROG Phone. So, this still be my backup phone. So, napakaganda niya. Yung camera niya. And the replacement has arrived. And hindi kasi tayo makakatanggi sa mga offerings dyan. This is not a sponsored video. So, ano lang. Watch out lang. So, kasi dati, yung mga flagship phone ko is yung OnePlus pa. So, ito yung secondary na flagship phone ko. Hindi kasi ako mahilig sa flagship kasi hindi naman ako nag-games. So, yun. After opening that, so ito meron siyang bumper case. Wow. As in, ito na pala yung phone. Okay? Yung phone is, andito na sa kamay ko, medyo naka-wrap. And ROG, Republic of Gamers. Iba talagang amoy. And then, may charger na rin siya. And napakaganda ng braided cable. Okay? So, ito yung phone. Let's try to check this out. So, ito yung fresh na smell ng bagong phone. Wow. Oh yeah. Whoa. Camera. Ganda ng camera. Ganda. Ang kagandahan nito is so may mga buttons dyan sa gilid and isang Type-C na nasa taas para mag-games ka. And then another Type-C and SIM slot. Uy! Bumalik yung 3.5mm na jack. Okay. So this flagship phone. So ito yung hindi na didiscuss kasi hindi na tayo mahilig sa 3.5 na mga jack. Kasi gusto nila na mga wireless Bluetooth. Para sa reliability, keep it simple. Okay? So yun. ROG phone. Okay? So watch out for more video. Naisipan ko lang mag-flagship ulit kasi napansin ko yung Reno na mid-range is kailangan natin ng upgrade. O kaya, ito na yung kapalit niya, ROG Phone 9 FE. Para sa sulit naman, sa presyo niya, okay na okay. Yep. Kaya, follow for more para makita nyo yung performance ito. This will be used daily, social media content creation, emails, and other applications. So, yun. Yung kagandahan. Ganda yung build. Okay? Republic of Gamers. ROG. Yeah. Okay, so i-turn on natin first boot ng phone. Okay, just wait for it. Yun. Wow! Snapdragon Elite Gaming. ROG, Republic of Gamers. Wow.
Kuha ka ng game. Mag-game ka.
Yep. Republic of Gamers. Yep. The first phone booth.
Wow.
Wow. So, try lang natin. Let's check if ano yung makikitang booth. Oh.
Let's
Oh.
go.
So, i-set up ko muna to, guys.
Let's
And
go.
yan. Log in. Okay?
Let's go. Let's
Just log
go.
in.